Good morning class. Today in chapter 2 inverse trigonometric function I will explain you all the properties of inverse trigonometric functions. In property 1 sin inverse 1 upon x equal to cosec inverse x means sin inverse का reciprocal अगर हम number का करेंगे तो it will becomes cosec inverse x, but the condition is that x, the value of x must be greater than equal to 1 or less than equal to minus 1. Similarly, cos inverse 1 upon x equal to sec inverse x. Condition is same. Tan inverse 1 upon x equal to cot inverse x, where x greater than equal to 0. In property 2, sin inverse minus x, tan inverse minus x, cosec inverse minus x. In all these three, the negative signs comes to be out. इनका negative sign बाहर आ जाएगा. Then becomes minus sin inverse x, minus tan inverse x and minus cosec inverse x, where x belongs to minus 1 to 1 for the first condition, x belongs to any real number or modulus x greater than 1. In property number 3, cosec inverse x, sec minus x, sec inverse minus x, cot inverse minus x. Here we get pi minus cosec inverse x, pi minus sec inverse x and pi minus cotec inverse x. And the conditions is, for the first x belongs to minus 1 to 1, modulus x greater than equal to 1 and x belongs to real number. Property 5, sin inverse x plus cos inverse x, tan inverse x plus cot inverse x, cosec inverse x plus sec inverse x. The result will be the same, that is pi by 2. The condition x belong to minus 1 to 1, tan inverse x belong to real number, and this for modulus x greater than equal to 1. Property 5 says tan inverse x plus tan inverse y equal to tan inverse x plus y 1 minus x into y. This is the on formula tan a plus tan a plus tan b, tan a plus b equal to tan a plus tan b upon 1 minus tan a into tan b. On this formula, on the basis of that formula, this property will exist. Similarly, this property exists on tan a minus b, which is equal to tan a minus tan b upon 1 plus tan a into tan b. This is tan inverse x plus tan inverse y, same, but here the condition x into y is less than 1. Here x into y greater than 1. The value of x and y both are positive. Property 6, 2 tan inverse x equal to sin inverse 2x upon 1 plus x square. This is based on the property sin 2 theta equal to 2 tan theta upon 1 plus tan square theta. This is 2 tan inverse x equal to cos inverse 1 minus x square 1 plus x square. This property is based on the formula cos 2 theta equal to 1 minus tan square theta upon 1 plus tan square theta. And the third property, 2 tan inverse x equal to tan inverse 2x upon 1 minus x square. This is the formula tan 2 theta equal to 2 tan theta upon 1 minus tan square theta. So all of you learn this property, and I'll give you some of the proof of these properties. Here I am giving the proof of first part, sin inverse 1 upon x equal to cosec inverse x. Let cosec inverse x equal to y, then x equal to cosec y, reciprocal both side. This is 1 upon x, and the reciprocal of cosec y equal to sin y. Sin comes this side, this is sin inverse 1 upon x, and left with y. The value of y is cosec inverse x. So it is proved that sin inverse 1 upon x equal to cosec inverse x. Similarly, we can prove the second and third part also. Property 2, first part, sin inverse minus x equal to minus sin inverse x, where x belongs to minus 1 to 1. Let us consider sin inverse minus x equal to y. Take sin inverse to this side. This is minus x equal to sin y. Multiply both side by minus sign. This is x minus sin y. Now minus sin y can be written as sin minus y. You know the formula, sin minus theta equal to minus sin theta. So minus sin theta equal to sin minus theta. Take sin to this side. This is sin inverse x equal to minus y. Again multiplying both side by minus. So this is minus sin inverse x equal to y. Put the value of y. we got sin inverse minus x equal to minus sin inverse x, which is the proof of first part. Similarly, you can prove the second and third part. Now property 3, cos inverse minus x equal to pi minus cos inverse x. To prove it, cos inverse minus x, let be theta. Cos inverse, take this side, this is minus x equal to cos theta. Multiply both side by minus sign, this is plus x and this is minus cos theta. We know that cos 180 minus theta equal to minus cos theta. Cos 180 minus theta equal to minus cos theta in second quadrant. Therefore, x equal to cos 180 minus theta means pi minus theta. Take cos to this side, this is cos inverse x equal to pi minus theta. Now interchange theta and cos inverse x. Theta this side plus cos inverse this side minus. Put the value of theta, this is cos inverse minus x and pi minus cos inverse x, which proved the first part of property 3. Similarly, you can try for second and third. Now property 4, sin inverse x plus cos inverse x equal to pi by 2. Let sin inverse x equal to theta. So x equal to sin theta, but sin theta can be written as cos 90 minus theta. Cos 90 minus theta equal to sin theta. Now take cos this side, this is cos inverse x equal to pi by 2 minus theta. Theta take this side, this is theta plus cos inverse x equal to pi by 2. Put the value of theta, this is sin inverse x plus cos inverse x equal to pi by 2. Hence first part of the property is proved. Now the first part of property 5, let tan inverse x equal to a. This implies x equal to tan a. This is tan a and this is tan b. Now tan inverse y equal to b, so y equal to tan b. We know the identity, trigonometric identity, tan a plus b equal to tan a plus tan b upon 1 minus tan a into tan b. So this remains same. Put the value of tan a, tan b, tan a, tan b. So this is tan a value is x plus y 1 minus xy. Take tan to this side, this is a plus b equal to tan inverse x plus y 1 minus xy. Put the value of a and b from here. This is tan inverse x plus tan inverse y equal to tan inverse x plus y upon 1 minus xy, which proved the first part of the property 1. Now the third part of property 6, let tan inverse x equal to theta. So x equal to tan theta. We know the identity, tan 2 theta equal to 2 tan theta upon 1 minus tan square theta. This will remain same. Put the value of tan theta as x. So this is 2x upon 1 minus x square. Take tan this side, this is 2 theta equal to tan inverse 2x upon 1 minus x square. Hence put the value of theta. 2 theta value is tan inverse x and it remains same. So 2 tan inverse x equal to tan inverse 2x upon 1 minus x square. So students, today we have discussed all the properties of inverse trigonometric function. You will try other proofs not to do in your fair copy. You will do the first part of the properties proofs, so that you will make up so that you can able to do the exercise properly. You have to write all the properties as the basics from the beginning of the chapter, and you have to do all the examples also in your NCERT copy. Thank you.